I'm getting hungry. See that, body? You don't get that way by sitting down doing nothing all day. Let's go cook something. Okay, welcome back, viewers, to another episode of Tree Tree. Today, what do we got here? I got the Pit Boss Grill. I got me some country-style pork ribs, and I've already seasoned them in a rub, and then I'm gonna eventually rub a barbecue sauce on them after. So I'm gonna start by putting them on right now. Yeah. All right, got the second one. I'll let them in there and let them soak and smoke for probably the next 6 hours. All right, I'll be back. All right, we got her smoking away pretty good here now. It shut off on me, and I walked away for the last few hours, and I came back, and of course it was off. Woo! Look at that. Well, not even 15 minutes later, the joys of having a Pit Boss. Looks like we got an error here. Of course, this thing shut off again. So I think I'm just not going to use the smoke setting, and I'm just going to go for a number. I'll probably set it to like 225, 250. And see if I get it working. All right, I just turned it on the 250 there. I guess it overheated. Now, see if it settles itself back down. Looking pretty good though. I think it's gonna burn itself out. And if this keeps going up, we're gonna eat charcoal dinner. Started at 420. I got it at 200 now. And look at that, we're at 400. Oh, I'm sorry, 480. 480. 45. Of course. It's smoking from here. And of course. Well, I think I better put out this fire. All right, it's off. No more flame. I'm gonna try doing this again. Start her back up. Just gonna put her on 200. Turn her on. Smoke 200. No, we'll give it 225. Throw air to the fire. We'll try that. Set it 260. We'll see what happens here. Shut it. Forget it. Okay, really quick and easy coleslaw recipe. We take our shredded coleslaw mix, open a bag, and empty the coleslaw into the bag. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take some mayonnaise. We're just gonna squeeze it right on in there. Okay, next I'm going to take the sugar, about that much, and dump it in that bag in there. And I'm going to take a little red wine vinegar. Just give a little bit of pour. Make sure you wipe up the countertops. And as far as spices, just a little garlic, salt. Nothing fancy, just a little pepper. We're going to take our coleslaw mix now, zip it up. And just start mixing. And once we got that all mixed up good, we're going to pop it in the refrigerator. Alright, coming on outside. It's smelling good out here. Alright, so back over here. It's been about an hour. Alright, Pit Boss is holding good at 280. I had turned it back up to 250. So, I haven't checked on them yet. And I'm praying. How's our pellets looking? Alright. I'm going to have to fill it back up shortly. Ooh, looking fine. Just going to give that a little flip over. I jumped ahead of myself, but I put some barbecue sauce on there. Spread it on the top. Couldn't wait. I'm going to turn this baby up a little bit. About 350. Alright, she's been holding steadily here for about 350 for the last half an hour, so let's go pop her open and see what she looks like. Oh yeah. Alright, so I think at this point I'm going to take it and flip it and do the other side for the next half an hour. Let that side brown up a little bit too. Oh yeah, look at that. Didn't even barbecue that side and look how juicy that looks. Yeah. Alright, good. That slow cook at first. Now you get to see me sauce this one. There we go. We're going to use some of that Sweet Baby Ray's. Nothing but the best. Fork, spread it on in. Those grooves. Get out of there, fly. Put it on this side too. Make sure we're getting all our sides. Check our pellet situation here. Oh boy, we're getting pretty low. Go over here. Throw her in there. Sausages. Oh boy. Oh boy. Mice are gonna have a field day with that one. This one on the back there. Alright, I'll come back in a half an hour and check up on them. Alright folks, it's been a little time. Let's open her up now. See where we're at. Oh, we're looking good. Look at that juice coming off of that one and that one. Oh yeah. So I don't have a thermometer because it broke. Actually, it's lost. But what I do have is the old knife, and I'm just going to carve it right up on this grill. Any thickness, well, we'll get rid of it. Look at that. Da, da, da. I want to give you guys the first cut here. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, this is how we ended up. Most of this meat's pretty good. I mean, I could eat that. That's a little bit, you know, it's passable. It's passable. I'm going to let it go for a little bit longer. This one is pretty good. I'm going to give it like 5 or 10 more minutes. Crank up the heat a little bit. Alright, oh, they're looking delicious. Oh yeah, look at that food, huh? I'm gonna bring that in and eat it. Bon appetit.